Welcome to your energizing morning stretch. This is going to feel so good and invigorating, the perfect way for you to start your best day. You don't need any equipment. I'm Action Jacqueline. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and then let's get to our workout. Okay, let's start up at the top of our mat here. Bring the hands in towards your heart. And let's set an intention for this class. Not only this class, but for your day. Whenever you set an intention for your day, you get to be in control with how your day goes. Instead of being in reaction, you get to be on purpose. And it's one of my most powerful strategies that I use to keep myself focused, motivated, and achieving the goals that I want to achieve. It all starts right here with a simple intention. So set that for yourself now. Seal it in with a big inhale in. Imagine yourself going through your day with your intention, noticing how it changes your day, just by simply imagining it first in your mind. Remember that your mind is the most powerful tool that you own, allowing you to visualize the life that you choose every day. All right, take a big inhale in, and let's exhale. Let's take a nice forward fold. And just pedaling out the legs right here as we begin to move our bodies, maybe for the first time today. Waking it up. Good, and then gently come down onto your knees. So we're gonna do a lot of back bending here in this class. So let's take a nice cat-cow here. Anytime you bend in the back and you practice your back bends, it really invigorates your spine and wakes up your nervous system. Helps to wake up your brain. So it's really, really powerful to back bend first thing in the morning. Good. So a few cat-cows right here. Good, and then let's come all the way forward, kind of in this lazy up dog here. And then bring it all the way back into a child's pose. Do that a couple more times. So child's pose, all the way forward, kind of into this lazy up dog. And back to child's pose. And again, roll forward, up dog right here. Little morning lazy up dog. And back. And again. Good, and then lower all the way down so you're in a Sphinx pose. And just kick the feet in like a little kid, just kind of kicking their feet up towards their booty like this. Waking up through the legs, but keeping the chest tall and proud. Feel the front of the body stretching and releasing. Good, place the hands down. And then now come into an even higher little back bend here. Maybe take the head all the way back, release through the head and the neck. And come all the way down. Good. And then rise up into your lazy dog again. Press it back. And now let's tuck the toes up into a downward facing dog. Let's lift the right leg up, inhale in. Bend the knee, open up the hip. Slowly allowing the body to wake up. Connecting your mind and your body. And let's take 3 big circles right here. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. And let's take it all the way forward. Step it forward into a low lunge. Inhale, rise up, exhale, place the hands down to the floor, and then press it back into a half splits right here. And let's hold here for a little bit. I want you to think about going into a slight back bend. And you can bend the knee if it's a little bit too tight for you just yet. You can kind of bend the knee, soften it. It doesn't have to be super straight. But think about elongating through the chest, through the back. stretching out through the leg. And then exhale, release forward back into that low lunge. Rise up tall. Exhale, bring the hands to the floor again. Tuck the back toe underneath you. And then back to downward facing dog. Taking a moment to recall your intention. And just have an overwhelming sense of appreciation for your body. Good. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Bend the knee, open up the hip. Just be curious with your body here. And take 3 big circles with the knee for 3. And 2. And 1. Good. And step it all the way forward. Feels so good. Rise up, inhale in. Exhale, place the hands to the floor. And bring it back to a half splits right here. Stretch out through the leg, through the spine. So really think of that spine. I'd rather you bend the knee a little bit and straighten out through the back than keep the leg straight and bend in the back, right? So work on that here for a couple breaths more. And nice, bring it forward, low lunge. One more inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands to the floor. Good. And press it all the way back to downward dog. And now let's walk all the way up to the top of the mat. Inhale, rise up. Waking up, inhale, taking in the day. Take a little cactus, release through the head, neck, and shoulders. And up. And forward fold, back down, hands down to the floor. And then take the knees down to the floor right here. Good. So we're going to open up our shoulders and chest right here by taking this arm, extending left arm and right leg back. You're going to reach around and grab for the foot. Good. Now take that foot and you're going to kick it into the hand. Really opening up through the shoulder, through the chest. Good. This is a very invigorating pose. So really kick the foot into the hand, lift the heart up. Feel your heart opening up, getting ready for your day. The most amazing day yet. Because every day is an amazing day. All right, release and let go. Shake that out. And now extend through the right leg, or the right arm and left leg. Reach around, grab for the foot. And kick the foot into the hand. This is what energizes the pose here. The foot is really active and I'm pushing into the hand, guiding the hand upwards towards the sky as the chest opens up towards the sky. Beautiful. Chest proud and tall. And release. Good. All right, now we're gonna come all the way forward onto our mat here on our knees. And you're going to rise up onto your knees here. Now we're gonna take a few back bends, so you can either take the hands here. Well, actually, let's just all start here. Hands right here into your pockets. Squeeze the elbows back, lift the head up, and lift the chest up towards the sky. And release. Good. Now you're gonna tuck the toes underneath you, and if you want to take it up a notch, then you can join me here, or you can keep the hands right here on your pockets, right, your jean pockets. All right, if you want to take it up a notch, then you can take the hands back towards the heels and lift up through the chest, lift up through the heart. Good. Lift up as high as you can. And let all of that go. Whew. That one really stimulates the entire body. Really great for the morning. So let's place those hands down and let's press it back into a forward fold right here. Let's continue to open up through the shoulders. So take those hands behind you, clasp them back, And let the hands fall over and open up the shoulders just like we did before, allowing the back to stretch, the shoulders release. Good, and release the hands down to the floor. And then just take a few little bends right here. Noticing the difference between even just about 10 minutes ago to now, how different you might feel, right? And now let's rise all the way up. Standing tall. One more big goal post open like this. Lift up, hands to heart center. Good, and let's finish off with one strong, beautiful pose here. Kind of like what we did on our knees. You're gonna grab for that foot right here, pull up into that core, reach up through the arm, and you're gonna start your day as a beautiful dancer right here as you kick it into your dancer pose. So just think about pushing that foot into the hand just like we did on our hands and knees. Reach, 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 extend through the arms. Picture your day going exactly as you have imagined, of course allowing for things to ebb and flow, but setting that strong intention from within. And release, other side. So grab for the inside of the foot, lift the arm up, inhale and exhale. Take that foot into the hand, reach straight as an arrow in front of you, feeling poised, strong, resilient. Keep kicking into the hand, and the hand can just easily melt right into your foot. And release. Take one last big inhale in, and exhale, hands to heart center. Beautiful work. I know you're gonna have the most amazing day now that you've connected into your body. Comment down below, let me know how this was for you. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video.